So this here is a footage from this morning, 8th of February, when another eruption started here in Iceland on Reykjanes Peninsula. And the main reason I'm making this video is because I have noticed that there is actually a confusion between people traveling to Iceland, basically wondering if there is in fact another active eruption at the moment, or if people are just sharing a footage from previous events. And honestly, I understand, as this is already a sixth eruption on the peninsula. And with this video, I'm just hoping that I can help you to get a better picture of what is going on and just mention some things that you should know about if you are traveling to Iceland in the upcoming days. Let me first start with answering the common question, and that's if you should cancel your trip to Iceland. And I don't think that you should cancel, because this is once again an eruption which isn't producing any ash, and therefore there shouldn't be any disruptions to flights. Another thing that people often seem to be concerned about is if it's actually safe to be in Iceland right now, and if they should be worried at all. And in my opinion, there is no reason to, as this is again a very localized event. And so the new fissure is now located again right here, north of town Grindavik. And let me change to this map right here, where you can see better what is going on. So this red line right here, this is the new fissure that opened up. And this pink area here, this is the old lava from previous event on 18th till 22nd of December. Then if we look to the left, this orange field here, this is the new lava that's coming out from this fissure. And as you can see, it is moving west and it has already crossed the road which is leading down to Grindavik. And also it has already crossed these hot water pipes which are coming from the power plant, which is basically supplying the whole peninsula with the hot water. And right next to it, here you can see the famous Blue Lagoon, which is now of course closed. But there are also these orange lines that you can see, and these basically represent lava barriers. And so hopefully these should protect Blue Lagoon and the power plant itself. But of course the question is, for how long is this going to continue and how much of a lava flow there is going to be in upcoming days. And there is one thing that I want to mention, and that's if you are staying in some place in Reykjanes Peninsula, it could be a good idea to send your host a message and just ask what is the situation. Because like I mentioned, the lava has destroyed the hot water supply and everything is just very uncertain at the moment. Another thing that I want to mention is that if you want to photograph the event, you can only do so from the main road. And of course you can get closer with a drone if you have one. Just keep in mind that you shouldn't fly higher than 120 meters. And the cold and windy weather might just drain your batteries very fast, so do not fly too far. But all in all, as always, nobody can tell for sure how long is this event going to last. But if this is going to be similar to previous eruptions that we've seen, the lava flow will slowly be decreasing and eventually stop in maximum few days. And when it stops, I'll of course post an update in the comment section below.